In this support video, we'll show you how to use the Share feature in the online mapping portal. This handy tool lets you send someone a link so they can see the live tracking of your device without needing access to your account. Don't worry, they won't see any of your past activity or account details, just the live tracking view. Here's how to set it up. Start by selecting Create New to make a new Share link. Give your link a name and choose the devices you want to include. It can be just one device or several. It's totally up to you. You'll also have options to customize the settings, like setting an active time for the link or deciding how the tracking appears. You can even toggle the link on or off whenever you need. Once everything looks good, save your settings. You'll get a confirmation letting you know the Share link is ready. From there, you can click to copy the link or grab an embed code if you want to add it to a website. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more help, check out our other videos or reach out to us for support.